Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude with ClickUp. Alright, let's begin. To get started, open the Claude website on your browser and navigate to your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the interface. From the pop-up menu, select Settings to open your configuration dashboard. Next, look at the Settings sidebar, locate the Connectors tab, and click on it. Inside this menu, click on Customize. Then, select the plus icon at the top and select Browse Connectors to view the available integrations. Type ClickUp into the search bar and click the plus icon right next to it to initiate the connection. This action will automatically redirect you to the ClickUp authorization page in your web browser. If you are not already logged in, simply sign into your primary ClickUp account. Carefully select the specific workspace you want to integrate, and then click the Connect Workspace button. This grants Claude secure access to your data. So that's basically how you can connect Claude with ClickUp. That's it for this video. Thanks.